to go on to another aspect of Brown's gas, it actually ties into something called homeopathy and what's called the law of infinitesimals. You can look this up on the internet and what have you. Again, science hasn't embraced this particular type of aspects of water, but it's definitely one of those things about energizing water. Now, a third thing about it isn't the electrical energy, but we're talking about energizing water with life energies. And with homeopathy, they can actually start with something that is a deadly poison, like hemlock, for example, and have a mixture of hemlock, and then they mix it half and half with pure distilled water, and then shake that mixture, and then mix that half and half, and shake that mixture, and just keep going with these halves until they get down to a point where there may be only one molecule per billion in the 10th mixture of this water. And yet that mixture of water still has a medicinal effect of when they feed it to somebody. Now, in this case, it has the effect without the poison, and that's what they call the law of infinitesimals, because there's just an infinitesimal amount of that actual substance in the water. There might not even be a molecule of it in the water, but what has happened is the information, the life energy, the imprint of that hemlock is still in the water. And there's an Oriental fellow called Emoto who is demonstrating this with healing waters and bad waters all over the planet, where he's developed this method where he can freeze water essentially instantaneously and look at the crystal structure of the water. And the waters that are healthy have magnificent crystal structures, and the waters that are polluted just look like crap, quite frankly. So and it's quite easy to see, and you can go on and look and find his work and how he energizes the water with life energies. So water has an amazing ability to absorb energy of various kinds and be energized, that science just simply is on the very fringe of even discovering, and we really need to embrace that.